All right, well, my saw tried to commit suicide by jumping underneath the tree that I fell. Broke the handle and bent the bar. So, I saw online people were having difficulty getting these little caps to the grommets out. Mine came out quite easily. I basically just forced it off of these rubber grommets. And in looking at a replacement handle, notice they come with these little plastic pieces already attached with the grommet inside. So I was trying to figure out how to get these out. There was a lot of videos showing people forcing these out. This particular model, this is an 023, it's actually a torque, and you can just take these right out. And then I'll be able to slide that back in. So that's the plan. This one, again, will come off as well. Just unscrew that, and then it'll fit on that piece as well. So we'll do that real quick. All right, let's see if we can get this thing to fit without too much difficulty. Go get this one started. Now, I don't think it matters which one. They're all the same. I jerked that out when I first got it apart, and if I would have been thinking all I had to do was unscrew these, everything would have come right out. All right, that went. Now let's try this again. There we go. All right, try this again. Just gonna get them started. It's the plan anyway. Dogs are having fun. Probably made this a lot harder than I had to. those are tight. Now, there was 2 screws here on the bottom. Last one goes right there. See that hole? Now I'll use the handheld. Gas everywhere. Almost done. I had taken this off because it was in the way there. So put that back on. Like yay. Slides right in there. Put the bar back on. First put these little black Duma flitchies up. That's why I did that in the first place. All right, guys. So, if you have to take this off, if you break it like I did, pop these 3 caps, take that torque off, these 2 torques, and then each one of those has a torque. And the thing slides right out. So you don't have to, you're not taking this out of the white thing. It's all good. All right. Hope this helps.